listen, guys, how's your day going? How's your week going? Do you have plans for the weekend? Listen, 2024 is coming up in less than 3 weeks. If you're serious about this industry, if you're serious about what you want to do, if you're serious about your niche, whatever you want to get into, you have to invest in yourself, right? There's free content. There's guys like Britt Daniels, there's Jerry Norton, there's King Kong, there's Lewis and Joel and Firecash Buyers, the whole team. Even behind the scenes, we got people here, but you got to invest in yourself, right? So we're pushing out content for you guys. We're going to push out as much as possible. Like I said, we're developing courses, we're developing mentorship. If you really want this, invest in yourself, right? Because we're not superheroes, we're not Superman. There's nothing special about us other than just buckling down and getting to work and really chasing after something that, you know, you really want and you aspire, whether it gets you motivated, right? Is it the money? Is it the lifestyle, right? This is a lifestyle business. Is it the fact that you can help people on the opposite side? Like what we do, we get to help people get out of distressed situations. Like whatever it is for you and what you want, and you see your future, where you want to be in the next 5 to 10 years, invest in yourself, take this seriously, all right? As I always say, like, subscribe, comments to hear more, all right? See you on the next one, man. Peace.